How to fix Discord not opening on PC. So hello everyone, so in today's video, I will show you guys on how to fix Discord when it's not opening on your PC. So without further ado, let us begin. So the first thing that you can do is to just simply close Discord and reopen it again. So let's say your Discord is still running in the background but you can't access it. So what you can simply do is to just simply go to your bar right here on the bottom, click on this arrow right here that says show hidden icons, and then you will see Discord right here. So just simply right click it and then just simply click on quit Discord. And then after quitting Discord, just open it up again, and then eventually it might fix your problem. Another thing that you can also do is just simply go to your task manager. So just simply click on Control Shift Escape on your keyboard. And then afterwards, just go to processes right here, and then you can just search for Discord right here in the search bar. So what you want to do is to just simply go to Discord right here, right click it, and then just simply click on end task. There you go. And then there you go. Then after that, once it's gone, just reopen up Discord again, and then that should fix your problem. And then if any of these solutions didn't work for you, what you can simply do is to just uninstall and reinstall Discord. So to do that, just simply go to your control panel. So just go to your search bar, search up for control panel. Afterwards, just go to programs right here, go to uninstall a program, and then scroll down until you see Discord. So it's this one over here, Discord. So let's just full screen it a bit. So it's this one right here. Click on Discord, right click it, and then just simply click on uninstall. And then once it's done uninstalling, what you can do is just simply search up for the Discord installer again, Discord downloads. So just search that up and then just download Discord again for Windows or any operating system that you're using. And then after downloading Discord, just set up the installer again, and then just try logging in your account again, and that should open up Discord. And then after that, you're pretty much done. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to fix Discord when it's not opening on your PC. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.